What is up, everybody? Ronny here, your go-to instructor if you want to learn how to design with Canva. Today I have a very in-demand tutorial for you guys. We are going to talk about animated design, so stuff moving on your design. I know there is a big buzz around this for the moment in the Canva communities, but also in our community about stickers, about animated social templates. So let's talk about this. Let's see what's new with Canva, how to use them, and yes, what are the best practices to make your designs animated. So today, I think I'm going to split this tutorial into different parts, but the first part, and probably the easiest part, is to start with the new category of templates, which is animated social media. So if you paid close attention on the Canva homepage, and it's really hard to miss it, to be honest, because it's moving and it's right there in front of you. It's actually the first doc type that is presented to you on your Canva dashboard. And it is right here. It's the animated social media. So if you click on this, let's see what's going to happen. If you click on this, Canva is going to open a square design, which is animated social media design, or doc type. What Canva calls doc types is the type of document that you open. So you have different things. You have Facebook posts, you have Facebook covers, you have Instagram posts, etc., etc. So this one is called animated social media. I believe the dimensions of this post are 1080 by 1080, so the square 1:1 aspect ratio. I believe I'm correct when I'm saying this. We will double check on that though. And so what happens here is that Canva opens these animated templates right here. So each of them has something, right? It's moving. When you scroll, when you hover your mouse over these templates, you see something happening, something is moving. So let's just click on one, for example, this one, and kind of analyze what's going on this template. We can see three little things right here: an ice cream, a chicken drumstick, and a piece of bacon. And they are moving. So basically, these guys right here are what we call Canva stickers. So stickers is a new category of elements that recently made its way to Canva. And stickers are animated. So the stickers can also be found. So right here we are under the template tab. But if we scroll all the way to the elements tab and you go down here, down this list, you will see different things going on. So you will find a category called stickers, and these are easily recognizable because they are moving. So if you click on, if you expand the all button here, you will see all the Canva stickers. So I'm going to create another page. And so the Canva stickers are animated elements that you can import into your design. And if you export your design, either as an animation, if you have a Canva Pro account, or as a MP4 video, then your design will be animated, and you can post that on Facebook, you can post that on different social media platforms, Instagram, probably Twitter as well, and these will basically be animated. And what's cool also is that they will loop on your newsfeed. So it's not like the animation is going to play once and then it's going to just stay still. It's going to loop, so it's going to keep playing. So that's the beauty of it. So here we have all the stickers. So let's see what they are. Canva has been trying to make them really useful and to think about everything like a social media creator, content creator might need. So we have things like the hand moving, we have like buttons with calls to action that invite you to swipe up or to subscribe, or you know, like things like that people who create content on a regular basis will need. So these are pretty useful. You have a bunch of icons, you have a bunch of arrows, effects. So you can really have fun with these. And I really believe that there is basically no limit to your creativity when it comes to creating moving the designs, right? I like to use them to accentuate a piece of my design. For example, let's create a simple social media post for Facebook, let's say. So I'm going to use my traditional cut out photos, right? So I'm going to go to my Ronny without a background folder right here. Let's say I want to create a post for my up and coming course. I'm going to use my brand colors, and I'm gonna use some text here. So I use T to add a text box. I'm going to use my font, which is prompt black, perfect. And this is going to say new course coming about personal branding. Okay, so I have my text. I'm making this very basic for now, but I just want you I would just want to show you how to use the stickers. So I'm going back to my stickers, and now I can have like some cool things to accentuate. For example, this is pretty cool. It's a heart. See? And because I have my photo here without a background, I could position this actually in front of my sticker. So if I position this forward, you see the sticker is gonna go backwards. It's gonna fall behind the photo of me. So that's pretty cool. Really like that. And of course, I could tweak the text. This is not perfect, but you get the idea. And now if I want to, let's say I want to delete this, if I want to export this, but I'm going to talk about exporting in a second, but I want to give you a little bit more information about the stickers, what you can and cannot do with them. So one thing you cannot do with them, so here it is selected, I can crop. So I can make like this thing a little bit smaller, but it's not gonna work in my favor here because this is an actual like shape. If I make this smaller, I'm gonna lose part of that heart shape. But what I cannot do is to actually change the color. That would be super awesome if at some point we could do that, like we could really personalize the stickers, but at this point we cannot do it. So you can, without a problem, you can add more than one sticker per design. So I can have a bunch of stickers here if I want. Just be careful not to saturate your design, but it's totally doable. What else can I do? Let me just get rid of this notification. Yes, I could use something like that, make it smaller. So we can have more than one sticker on the same page. All right. And then now talking about exporting this, and you can see here, Canva is adding, I would say, new stickers every week. That is almost for sure, because the last time I checked, we didn't have all these nice stickers here. So I suggest you regularly go and check like the new stickers. It's not that easy to search for stickers. There is no search functionality within the sticker category. I have a strong feeling this is coming to Canva, but so far it's not there. Though you can like use little tricks. For example, if you search for a heart, and then you can type in column and stickers. Let's see what happens. Yes, this is actually working. If you type your keyword and then space in column stickers, or sticker without S, I think this works too. Yes, it does work as well. And if you just search for heart, what happens? Yeah, you don't have the stickers. Maybe the stickers will come later, but so if you put heart in column stickers, then you will have like the animated heart. So this is kind of like a workaround the search functionality, which is currently missing in Canva and for the sticker category. So that's important in my opinion to mention, that we need to somehow search for them in an alternate way. And the second thing that I want you to understand is that if you want to export this design and if you want it to be animated, you cannot simply export this as a PNG or JPEG, because it's not gonna be moving if you do, because these two formats are for still images. You have to export this as a video. So this is a new feature in Canva, and it is possible that not everybody has access to this feature as of now. I know Canva is rolling out this feature to all users, but if you don't see it, well, don't freak out, just be patient, because it's going to be rolled out to you as well soon. So stickers are not a Canva Pro feature, so that means that they will be available to both Pro users and free users. And so you will have to export this sticker here, this design here, as an MP4 video. So let me do it. I'm going to download this. Okay, it's here. I'm going to open that. Okay, and I'm going to copy that on my desktop right here. It's there, and I'm going to open it to show it to you guys. See, it's gonna loop twice here. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And when you post that on Facebook, let me open it one more time. If you post that to Instagram or Facebook, it is going to loop your video. So this heart is going to keep keep circling around the text, because that's basically what it does once it's looped. So this was part one of creating animated designs. I would say in the next tutorial, I would focus on creating an animation from scratch, and this time for Canva Pro users. So this first part is something that all users can do using the stickers. And the second part, I'm going to show you how to create an animation from scratch. And then instead of downloading as a video, we will be downloading as an animation. And this last option here, as you can see with the little crown, is a Pro feature. So I wanted to first show something that everybody can do. And then next week in the next tutorial, we will have a more maybe advanced tutorial for people who are Pro users, and I will teach you how to create an animation from scratch. I hope you like this tutorial, guys. Show me your design with stickers. I want to see them. So please create some and post them in the comment of our Facebook group. If you are watching this tutorial on YouTube, please give it a thumbs up. It's always good for helping me getting that visibility that I need to show the videos to as many people as possible. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, I suggest you do so, because I still have a ton of cool tutorials for you guys, and I don't want you to miss them. So that was my tutorial about stickers, where to find them, how to use them, and how to export them. One more thing I want to say before I wrap up is that yes, stickers have now made it to the Android app and to the iOS app as well. So the mobile version of Canva that you can access from your phone now have a dedicated section for stickers as well. So that means you can create these animated designs with the stickers directly from your phone. So check that out too. I might have a tutorial about the mobile version of stickers, so that I really go like I cover all the bases, and you will have seen how to create them from the desktop, how to create them from your phone, and also how to create animations from scratch using the Pro features. That's it. I have said everything I wanted to say. I wish you guys a wonderful end of the day, and I will see you in the next video.